No, go. I'll be you.
Hmm?
I'll be you. You'll be me. Go.
Alright guys, welcome back to another video. I'm here with my boyfriend. We're doing another Buzzfeed video.
Alright, what's up guys? We are back with another BuzzFeed video. We have 5 here for us, you guys, today. I'm gonna go first. Now, I don't know what any of these are really about. They're food. I saw them. I liked them, so we're doing food today. Okay. First one. Ever wonder which fruit matches your vibe? Take some pics of the sky to find out. We're doing images. This is cool. This looks like it could be snow.
Snow?
Yeah, or like like North Pole, South Pole type stuff. A bunch of ice. But I'm gonna go with this one. That was nice. Night sky, sunset. I'm gonna go with night sky. Pick again. Oh.
Ooh,
This is, yeah, I gotta go with this one.
yeah.
I want to go to just like some place where you can like see this, whatever it's called, or like like the lights in the sky, whatever.
Mm-mm. No?
You don't know what I'm talking about.
Nope.
We're going with
I knew it.
and let's get the palm trees in there. Ooh. We're gonna go with this one.
See,
okay.
now that looks like snow.
This one?
Or like ice. Mm-hmm.
I mean, kinda. I feel like the other one looks more
No.
like it. Yes? Where is it?
That one does look like clouds.
This one? No.
Like you're in
That
an
looks
airplane.
more like ice.
Like you're in an airplane looking down.
That looks like a bunch of ice.
That one looks like ice.
I don't see it. I'm going with this one. I got cherries. You're like a cherry. When you walk in a room, you make things better with your positive and happy vibe. That's right.
Oh, okay.
Make everything better.
Okay.
Okay, number 2. Okay, you can go ahead and read. It's your turn.
No, you go for it.
No.
You're reading for me.
No, you're reading.
You guys can read.
Choose between these summer foods to reveal where you should spend a beach day. Pick a refreshing beverage.
Ooh, margarita.
A watermelon one?
Mm-hmm.
Speak of watermelon, I cut a giant watermelon today. It was a hassle.
A smoothie.
No, pick a smoothie.
A mango.
Oh, yeah, that one looks really good. Pick a summer snack.
Chips. And salsa. Uh-oh.
Guest appearance. You guys see him in the corner? Guest appearance. Can you see him in the corner?
The fish.
Fish.
Yeah, the fish.
Ew.
You want to join us, dude? Okay, pick a dish. Sushi?
Tacos.
Tacos. Pick a salad.
Fruit.
Are you coming back, dude? Are you gonna stay here? Here, let me.
Let's go.
Okay.
And it's his head. Something
Ooh.
things. A thing on its
Oh,
head.
this thing?
Just the one. Same one.
Okay.
He's good?
Pick a salad, Ethan.
Alright, pick a salad.
I want some
Greek salad, fruit salad, Cobb salad. Fruit salad?
Fruit salad.
Alright, fruit. You love
Yeah,
it.
but I like it.
You don't like it?
He said he likes it.
Oh, you like it. Okay, pick a cold coffee drink.
Caramel.
Caramel.
I think I like juice.
You like juice? Okay, pick a fruit, Ethan. Oh. Okay, hold on.
No, there's only...
Move that back.
Oh, I found the raspberry.
No,
That's great.
This is great.
Oh,
Here.
that's-
Stay sitting down, dude. Here, let me.
I want some raspberries.
There's no raspberries.
There you go.
I want some apples.
He's in frame now.
No, it's
Okay.
peaches.
So there's peaches, watermelon, cherries, and like the watermelon's back. I made such a mess with that thing, Jesus. Which one do you want, dude? You want grapes?
You don't want grapes?
Watermelon? Peaches? Okay, peaches
No,
it
you
is.
can try it tomorrow.
Pick a barbecue dish. Cornbread, barbecue. I don't really like cornbread. Barbecue steak, veggie kebab, or
I
cheeseburger.
do like cheese.
You like-
Cheeseburger? Yeah.
Yeah.
I love chicken cheeseburger. Oh, I want
Ooh,
one of those.
elote.
Damn.
Yeah.
Oh, I love elote too.
I'd probably pick the spring rolls, but yeah.
Okay,
Elote.
it's not about you.
Okay. Alright, pick a summer dessert.
Wait.
Ta-da, dude.
Okay, yeah. ice cream.
you know.
Okay.
Oh, we're going to Florida, dude.
Wait, what is it to you? Okay.
Miami, Florida.
Ooh.
Don't touch. You don't ask for much when it comes to the beach. You're quite content with a simple layout full of interesting people and great music. Yeah, it's like that. Alright. Everyone has a berry that matches their personality. I would tend to go with like a raspberry or strawberry. Pick a chicken dish.
Yes.
Ooh, buffalo wings, chicken soup. Since it's summer, I'm going with buffalo wings. And anything else doesn't sound happy. Pick a salad. Didn't we just do this exact same thing on yours?
Yeah.
Fruit salad, just different pictures? Okay, we're going with fruit salad. Pick some seafood. Ooh.
None.
Just because you're allergic. Go salmon. Pick an appetizer. Cheese board,
Ooh, I'm gonna try
bruschetta,
that.
sliders, mac and cheese bites. Yeah, I'd probably go with that. Or sliders. Pick a French baked good. Croissant. We're going with croissants. Pick a cheese and bread combo. Cheese. Oh, yeah. Grilled cheese looks, they're good and all, but pumpkin soup. Tom yum.
Soup.
Tomato.
Basic.
Mushroom. Maybe mushroom. I don't know what this is. I would just go mushroom, okay? Pick a pasta dish. Mac and cheese, spaghetti, carbonara? Carbonara? I don't know. Spaghetti and meatballs. Pesto pasta.
Pesto.
Pause.
Meatballs.
Bubby cats.
Who?
Bubby cats.
Those cats.
Yeah, those cats.
Okay.
Cats.
Yeah, he picked it in meatballs. Pick a beef dish. Steak, kebab, beef, steak. Lastly, pick a Thai dish. Basil chicken. Oh, that looks good. Like just looking, I don't know what any of this tastes like, but this looks delicious. Blueberries, that's fine. I like blueberries. Well, I like all berries, but you're like a blueberry. You have a sunny disposition that just lights up the room. You love making people laugh. I make myself laugh. Who am I kidding? I don't make anybody else laugh. You never take yourself too seriously. You're funny to myself, yes. Witty and
not
popular. No, I don't talk to anyone. Believe it or not, everyone has a bird that perfectly matches their personality. Choose your favorite foods to reveal it. If there's a salad on this one, I'm gonna be a little mad. It's just like rinse and repeat. All right, pick a cheesy food.
All of the.
Oh, nachos, mac and cheese.
Why I put one quesadilla?
They're like basic. Pizza, cheeseburger, grilled cheese. I think they use the same picture on the other one.
Yeah, they did. That's why it looks so good. Put nachos.
Nachos. Pick some fruit.
To go with you.
Ooh.
Oh, I think I want blueberries.
Those are grapes again.
Grapes again. Oh,
Yeah.
I want raspberries.
Raspberries?
Oh, I think they look like apples.
They are
are
apples. Which ones are you choosing,
You
Ethan?
want pineapple?
Kiwi, strawberry, pineapple, grapes, raspberries, apples, pineapple.
Apples.
Okay, apples. Pick an ice cream flavor. Strawberry, chocolate, vanilla,
Cookie dough.
caramel,
Yeah,
cookie dough, lavender.
Cookie dough.
Oh, I think.
Cookie dough.
I want the other one with
Cookie dough.
those ones.
This one?
Oh, vanilla.
Okay, vanilla. Pick a dinner food. You want soda?
You want some soda? Why?
I think I want some fries.
Some fries.
Yeah,
What about chicken tenders?
I do love chicken tenders too. I
Chick-
do love those.
You
What about
do.
milkshake?
Which one you want?
Fries,
Which one do you want?
burger, chicken tenders,
Hold on, which one?
milkshake,
Those look like Wingstop.
fries. We're going with fries then,
Yeah.
since he's distracted. Alright, pick some pastries. Donuts, cinnamon rolls, cookies, muffins, croissants, or brownies.
Wait, Ethan. Damn.
If I were to pick anything on here, it'd be donuts. I love donuts.
Or brownies. Or cinnamon rolls.
Donuts. I love donuts.
Okay, well, I'm going with brownies.
Pick a salty snack.
You
again.
What? Oh, I'm salty.
Oh, I think I want popcorn.
Popcorn,
Popcorn.
fries, popcorn, crackers,
What about
potato
tortilla
chips,
chips?
tortilla chips, or
And I
pretzels.
want crackers.
Some crackers.
Which one?
I want some other ones. I want the other ones. Those ones.
Pretzels?
I
Okay.
love
Okay, we're going pretzels. Pick a cake. A what? Oh. Alright, pick a cake. Triple chocolate, strawberry, macaroni, triple berry, tiramisu. We put in your nose. Stop it, nasty.
Ooh, Oreo.
Carrot or Oreo?
Oh,
It's because you said strawberry macaroni.
Yeah, it's a macaroon, dude. Triple
What about Oreo?
chocolate, Oreo.
it has Oreos on it.
Yeah, it does. You want that one? Okay, we'll choose that one.
Actually, will melt.
Hmm?
Will melt.
It'll melt?
Because this is the melt. Because it melts.
It melts, yeah.
And what is this?
It's my mic. You want to show them? Okay. Can you see it on the camera? That's my mic.
Mike?
Yeah. So they can hear us. We talk, and it picks up our voice. And finally, pick a breakfast food. Oatmeal,
No.
pancakes, toast, yogurt, omelette, or
Oh,
cereal.
gosh.
I think you love yogurt.
I do love yogurt.
But it's about me, baby.
That's for Mama. Which one are you
Which
picking
one do
for
you
Mama?
think I like?
Yogurt?
I like yogurt?
Yeah.
What about pancakes?
Oh, I do love pancakes.
Yeah. Pancakes?
Yeah, I love pancakes.
Mm-hmm.
And it has blueberries on it.
Mm-hmm.
And
A
You're a
peacock.
peacock.
Kevin.
How does Kevin go? Remember? How does he go? You don't remember how he goes?
How does he
go?
go, Dad?
they just got scared.
You got scared? Why? How does he go?
No sauce.
How does he sound? You.
Alright, peacock. You're a peacock. You're like a peacock. I don't know. You're like a peacock.
He has a lot of eyes.
That's his feathers, Baba. These things are his feathers.
He only has 2 eyes, baby.
Yeah, they're right there. I think, right? Those are it? The little black dots?
Yeah.
Oh, I think some things, those are his feathers.
Yeah, his feathers. You're like a peacock. You carry yourself with confidence and love being the center of attention. That's a lot. You take pride in your work and you always strive to be the best you can. Overall, you're flashy, entertaining, and warm. Mostly alive.
You're warm.
Body heat.
I want tips.
Okay.
Okay, hold on.
We're gonna let him do this one all by himself. So We were gonna do it together, but he's doing this one all by himself. Okay, Ethan, you're doing this one all by yourself, okay? You're choosing every single one. Okay. We'll give you 2 flavors of the same chip, but you can only choose one, okay?
I want the purple one.
The purple one? Yeah, the barbecue, huh? You love those. Really? Cheddar is more popular. You want chocolate? Okay, we'll have some chocolate after. Okay.
Those ones.
You want these?
Yeah.
Okay, barbecue, of course. Okay, do you want the nacho cheese or the Cool Ranch?
I think they're hot.
Those
They're
are
not.
not hot, baby.
They're hot for me.
No, they're not. They're nacho cheese.
But I do like cheese.
Do you want the Cool Ranch then? The blue ones? So, which one are
You
we?
were eating the blue ones last time, remember?
Well, we'll just go with the blue ones.
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Ooh, your favorite?
Yeah.
Which one?
Blue.
okay, we'll go blue. Oh, gosh.
Like
He doesn't like any of this.
blueberries.
What looks like blueberries?
Excuse me.
Like.
Oh.
It has one like the caps look like blueberries.
Okay, do you want the green ones or the orange?
Go down. Oh, like those look like blueberry. Oh, it's blueberry. One's blueberry.
Okay, which ones do you want? The green or the orange?
Green.
Green. Okay. Ooh, do you want hot Cheetos or regular Cheetos?
Hot Cheetos.
You want hot
Hot
Cheetos?
Cheetos? Oh,
But you love hot Cheetos.
I love hot Cheetos.
Yeah.
So which ones are we picking? Hot Cheetos or regular Cheetos?
Red Cheetos.
Regular Cheetos. Oh, he doesn't know any of these, so those are bomb. Okay.
What?
I thought that we were gonna give us something else. It was just like this or that kind of thing.
Love. I think I love something to drink. That bigger thing. There.
Who's that?
Huh?
Who is that? On the screen.
Huh?
Who's that? Who's this?
Me.
Alright guys, that's gonna do it for today. If you guys did enjoy, please be sure to drop a like, subscribe. You know, maybe we can have some more special guests of him around.
There.
Okay, baby.
It's a light.
That's my light.
It comes from that way.
Yeah, it is coming from that
Okay,
way.
say bye, okay? Say bye to the
Okay.
camera.
Bye.
I got blurry, you see that?
Did it like
But what's the
Ethan got my
camera?
Oh.
face.
it's right here. It's the camera.
Bye, camera.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye.